Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a vending machine. It took me a long time to make. You know, those tries I failed, but finally I got one right. So let's get started. Okay, first the thing you're gonna need is make this L looking shape with any kind of block you choose. I just choose the red. Then put glass. After that, just cover this part 2 times, the other one only once. I'm really sorry about the sound, but let's keep on going. Then put an item frame on top and on the bottom. Then I put a kind of food you want to sell. So I put cookie and pumpkin pie. Then I use a wooden button. You can use a stone button if you want to. Then after that, I'm gonna have to break this so you can see where to put it. So just put it right there, and the other one right, here. Wait, I guess right there. And just cover it up. Need the other part too. Okay. After that, you're gonna want to use your bookshelf. Okay, just put one right here, and the other one put over here and over here. Let me see. Yep. Now just put redstone over here and over here. This one, just put redstone there. That's all you have to do for that one. And pull it down over here. After that, put here, I'm gonna put cookies, which is the one I want. In the other side, I want pumpkin pie. After that, oops, fell out again. Gonna cover it all up. So nice. Cover it all up. Now that's finished. Now let's sit it out. So I got a pumpkin pie in here, a cookie. Okay, thanks for watching and subscribe, guys. Thanks. And again, bye.